In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a booking timetable to your Wix website. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional booking calendar embedded right on your page, ready for visitors to choose dates and times with ease. First, open your browser and head to wix.com. Log into your account, then select the site you want to work on. Click Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. Give it a moment to load the canvas and tools so everything is ready to go. Next, create a dedicated spot for the calendar so it fits naturally into your layout. In the editor, click Add at the top left, then choose Add Section. Pick a blank section or a simple layout that doesn't compete with the rest of your design. Place it exactly where you want the booking calendar to live. Common choices are just below your main introduction or just above the footer. This keeps the schedule visible without overwhelming the page. With that section in place, it's time to add the actual booking timetable. With the section selected, click the plus icon for Add Again to open the Add panel. Use the search bar to type Booking. In the booking category, look for an element labeled Timetable or Booking Timetable. Click it to insert it. You'll see a quick preview so you can confirm it's the right component. Now position and size the timetable so it's easy to read. Drag it into your new section and use the corner and side handles to adjust the dimensions. Make it wide enough that dates, times, and labels aren't cramped, and set the height so content fits without too much empty space. If your page is centered, align the timetable to the center to keep everything balanced. Let's configure the details so bookings work the way you expect. Click the timetable element to open its settings on the right. Choose the appropriate service or service provider if you offer more than one. Set your available days and hours to match your real schedule. Adjust booking lead time to prevent last-minute reservations, and add buffer times if you need a gap between appointments. If you already use Wix bookings or Wix appointments, make sure the timetable is connected so it pulls in real availability. Before you go live, click Preview, the eye icon, to check how everything looks on desktop and mobile. Test by clicking a date and time and walking through the booking flow to confirm it works smoothly. When you're happy, click Publish at the